Hey everyone, Mark here from thewindowcleaningstore.com. Did you know I've been putting up window cleaning videos up to YouTube since 2008? And in all these years, the tried and true method for getting perfect window cleaning results hasn't changed one bit. The scrubber and the squeegee is your perfect companion for getting great results each and every time. But you know what, don't take my word for it. Let's take a look at one of my latest customers out in the field with his new set of tools. Let's see how he cleans his windows. So, with a dirty window in front of you, the first thing you need to do is scrub all the glass with a soapy solution. Next, grab your squeegee and choose your squeegee technique of choice. Seems Junior here is using the Jungle Fever technique. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. No, you missed a spot. Nope, yep. There you go. Okay, all kidding aside, getting professional window cleaning results isn't much more complicated than that video that we just watched. However, if you want a more in-depth video on how to get perfect results every time, just follow the link to the video at the end of this video, and also check out thewindowcleaningstore.com for all your professional window cleaning tools. Anyway, give us a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.